Why, on the channel with no catchphrase, am I riding in rain mode on my lovely speed triple? Well, another tale of woe, I'm afraid. End of last month, went for my first MOT and its yearly service, 10,000 mile service. I get there, nice and happy, and by the way, I go to Triumph West London, which is an hour and a half away. That's for another time. They're just really, really great guys. That's where I got the bike from. And I'm sitting around waiting, and they call me in, and they say, got a problem. What? Anyway, it gets worse. And they said, your wheel bearings need replacing. I said, what? Yeah, there's play in the wheel. It's like, 10,000 miles. Well, I said, well, my VFR 750, I think I changed them at 41,000. But it gets worse. Even worse. Now, obviously I'm in for my MOT, and they said it's not going to pass its MOT, or it will get an advisory for a steering head bearing problem. I can't remember the exact wording, so I'll put that up just below. But they did say they're going to do the steering bearing under warranty, but that they couldn't do that then and there. I was then told I had a tight spot on my chain, so chain and sprockets need replacing. At this point I'm on the floor sobbing. So I ended up with 2 new tyres. I thought I needed 1. They then showed me a slight cut in the rear tyre, and I'd already asked them to change the front tyre. So 2 tyres were done. They did the MOT, its first ever MOT, with an advisory for the steering head bearing and tight spot in chain. Slightly worn chain, as they said. So what a brilliant start to its MOT life. So I went home with a tarnished MOT, no service. They did say they'd do the wheel bearings for free, seeing as the front wheel was off. So I had to book in again, which is today, for my warranty recall, new chain and sprocket, and the service, which I think is going to be an absolute fortune. The funny thing was, as I was riding to Triumph West London for just a service and an MOT, and seeing as I'd just finished the PCP and paid off everything, the bike's mine, I thought, oh, and my 3rd year's warranty ran out, I thought, well, it was running out for September, so that's why I managed to get something under warranty. I thought, something's going to go wrong. I just couldn't, you just can't make it up. It's also an hour and a half there, an hour and a half back, so this entire operation is going to be 6 hours, and it's bloody well p***ing down. Something I thought I might mention, rain mode, which reduces it to about 100 brake horsepower. And it's very docile, pulls away nice. Oh, and of course after my last ride I cleaned this thoroughly, and it's absolutely going to get disgusting today. Ah, dear. So I've got water dripping down the back of my neck. I've got my waterproofs on, but just a drop going down my back, nice and cold. Gloves, no. Damp hands. I have got spare gloves in my backpack though. So why do I go all the way to Triumph West London? Mainly because a friend of mine got his Triumph from there, and he said they were brilliant, like really excellent customer service. So I thought, well, travel a bit, so I did, and absolutely amazing. When I had all of the issues with the Speed Triple at the beginning, they were fantastic. When the gearbox detent spring went, of course I had all of mine before they were recognised and a recall. They gave me their demo Speed Triple RR for like nearly a month, and it was theirs. They asked Triumph to give me a Speed Triple 1200 RS as a courtesy bike, and Triumph bloody refused. So that's why I go so far.
I might grab a bat, I don't know, my wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
I think if any of the mechanics
Luckily, all the spare gloves, but these are still soaking wet. Yeah. Soggy.
Alright, so bye bye Triumph West London. Yeah, so you know, the prices are what they are. I got a bit of a... They were kind to me, let's just say. The bike was in there all day, but of course a lot of time was spent on the steering bearing. But if you want a good Triumph dealer, then Triumph West London is just amazing. It's worth the massive trip, the trek, every time I come along to do something with them. It's worth it to find a dealer that's so good. They've been so good to me with all the trials and tribulations I've had with my love, my bike, which despite things that have happened, it's just such a good bike. So yeah, don't think I'll feel much going home because it's just crap, innit, and it's rush hour. So, and things are coming along, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.
'Cause I've been living life right